Okay, line 22, 7b97z103b, dielectric polarization, Higgs electric field, harmonic oscillating formula, Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. This is flux for electric Higgs field, graphite films, laser beams, UFO space travel ideas for the core wires, engine found in line 22, while data 103 is divided into ABC. Formula continues from previous video 103A to I. I guess it isn't all the way to C, it goes all the way to I. Been added to. July 21st, 2013, I was working on this data. Now it's November 24th, 2013. Previous videos, line 22, 7b97z103a, dielectric function, electron, gas, atomic cores, plasma, polarized, formula, Pw Wow Seti. Quote from wiki, the dielectric function of the sample is expressed as this equation, where dW is the electric displacement and Pw is the polarization density. Formula from the data. Dielectric function of solid graphite film, fully charged with proton energy field plus Higgs, expressed as an equation, dW equals electric displacement plus Pw polarization density. Quote diagrams from wiki, electric displacement plus flux. So you see this showing that. Flux F through a surface, ds is the differential vector area element and is the unit normal to the surface. Left, there's no flux passes in the surface. Maximum flows normal to the surface. Right, the reduction in flux passing through a surface can be visualized by reduction in F or ds equivalently resolved in components. 0 is angled to normal n. Okay. FDS is the component of flux passing through the surface, which is this one here on the left, and multiplied by the area of the surface, C dot per dot. For this reason, flux represents physically a flow per unit area. So it's divided into little squares. Okay. Formula from Flux F. Flux F plus Higgs electric field through graphite film, laser beams, differential vector area. I'm going to Google that. Quote and diagrams from wiki. Magnitudes of the two vectors and the cosine of the angle between them. See this round shape thing? That looks like that common ice on. If you look at the pictures, it looks like it's got one of these with a tail on it. So just thought you should know that. The magnitude and direction of a two-dimensional electric field surrounding two equally charged repelling particles. Brightness represents magnitude and hue represents direction. Oppositely charged attracting particles. Brightness. So brightness is magnitude when they're looking at particles, right? I just thought of common ice-on. I was trying to find out what the magnitude meant, common ice-on, because they do these magnitude numbers and I want to know what makes it brighter. I've been trying to find a video to blog with about it so we can learn about it. So oppositely charged attracting particles are those two. This shows G in classical gravitation. Mass is the source of an attracted gravitational field G. October 23rd, my thoughts. Particles rotating around the core proton energy Higgs field with mass will create a gravitational field within the UFO spaceship. There's a thought. Creating gravity in your spaceship. Something which I don't think they have yet. I think they have them in the rockets, but not all of them. They do have an area where they kind of float around. I don't know if they float around. I think they float around and everything in there. I'm not sure if they've created gravity inside their spaceships yet for NASA. If you know, let me know. What you can do is send me a message with a YouTube video about it so I can blog it, or you can copy and paste the title of the actual video and then I can do a Google search to find it. So quote, if they show how they build, how they have gravity in their spaceships, that would be cool. Quote diagram from wiki. The circuit diagram representation of mutually coupled inductors. Okay, the two vertical lines between the inductors indicate a solid cord that the wires of the inductor are wrapped around. Nm shows the ratio between the number of windings on the left inductor to the windings of the right inductor. This picture also shows the dot convention. October 23rd, my thoughts on the circuit diagram above in the formula form. Mutually coupled inductors equals two superlattice electrons, two superlattice plus space lattice electron hole walls. Okay, these two here. That's the two superlattices. And two vertical lines would be the solid graphite film core in the middle. With nodes and wires wrapped around its edges of the superlattice electron hole structure, the dot convention would be the qubits plus quantum dots combined. October 23rd, Google keyword ideas, quantum dot qubit polarity. In another video, I'm going to see whether or not there's something about it. Formulas will continue in keyword research for the same data will be in the next several videos. Thanks for watching.